Your business is growing, and so is your number of potential customers. How do you know which leads are most likely to convert?
What customers should be rewarded with a discount? Who needs just a little nudge to cross that finish line?
Hi, I'm Tim from ActiveCampaign.
And I'm Molly from ActiveCampaign.
We have a question
from our community
that we're going to answer.
A founder of an e-commerce store asks, has anyone used lead scores for direct-to-consumer? I'm confused about how I can apply this to my direct-to-consumer store. What I'm trying to do is score our purchasers in different segments and give them certain points. Lead scoring is a great tool for direct-to-consumer businesses. A good place to begin is understanding what lead scoring is.
Lead scoring is a flexible tool that enables you to prioritize and keep track of your leads. This is accomplished using a scoring system where you either add points or subtract points based on a contact's behavior and activity. With lead scoring, you can identify and target lower scoring leads that may need additional nurturing to increase their interest and engagement. You can also identify and target highly engaged fans of your company. But your lead scoring system is only as good as its rules.
Before we dive into rules, let's organize our contacts into 4 groups that we care about: prospects, leads, customers, and repeat customers. The path to turning a prospect into a repeat customer is called the customer lifecycle. It has 4 main stages: reach and engage, nurture and educate, convert and close, and support and grow.
Prospects are contacts who are at the reach and engage stage of the customer lifecycle. They may visit specific product pages on your store or sign up for your email newsletter. We can set up scoring rules to track this activity. Let's add 1 point to their score if they visit any product page on our site, and add 1 point to their score if they sign up for our newsletter. Let's set 1 point as the threshold for when a contact is officially considered a prospect. To accomplish this, we can create an automation that is triggered when the contact score is above 1. This automation will add the tag prospect to the contact. With this tag and the automatic lead scoring system, we always know who our prospects are.
Leads are contacts that are at the nurture and educate phase of the customer lifecycle. They come back to your store and view a product that they're interested in again. They're usually considering whether or not they want to buy that product, and they may even add that product to their cart. We'll add 5 points to their score if they add a product to their cart. Each following product page visit will add 1 point to their score, as directed by the scoring rule that we created earlier. We'll create an automation that tags them as lead if their score is above 5 points.
Customers are contacts at the convert and close stage of the customer lifecycle who have made their first purchase. We'll add 10 points to their score when they make a purchase. We'll also create an automation that tags them as customer if their score is above 15 points.
Repeat customers are contacts who buy more products from your store over time. Since we already have a scoring rule in place for purchasing a product, we'll add 10 points to their score every time they make an additional purchase. We'll create an automation that tags them as a repeat customer if their score is above 25 points and they've made at least 1 purchase. This extra condition ensures that they're truly a repeat customer and not just a prospect who's looked at your page 25 times because they're indecisive.
All the scoring rules we've set up so far add points. What if a contact doesn't indicate any interest or engagement for a period of time? That's when we subtract points. For example, let's create a rule that subtracts 5 points if a contact doesn't visit our store for a month. What if they haven't bought anything in the past 3 months? Let's subtract 10 points from their score.
Lead scoring is a flexible tool that helps you keep track of and prioritize your leads. The keyword here is flexible. There are so many different ways to set up lead scoring to accomplish different goals. You can use lead scoring to notify your sales rep when a contact hits a certain score, send a discount to some engaged contacts, or re-engage some contacts who haven't really been around in a while. The possibilities are endless.
All right, there we have it.
We had a question from our community that we're going to answer,
and we did. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.